Your check engine light is on, and your scanner just pulled up a P0014 code. This code means the exhaust camshaft on bank 1 is over-advanced or not responding correctly to timing commands. It is a variable valve timing issue, and most fixes are cheap and easy. Here are 7 common causes and exactly how to fix each one yourself. Low or dirty engine oil. The variable valve timing system uses engine oil pressure to advance and retard the camshaft position. Its job is to adjust exhaust valve timing on command from the PCM for efficiency and power. When oil level drops or the oil degrades past service life, the VVT actuator cannot maintain the pressure needed to hold correct cam timing. The camshaft drifts out of position and P0014 is stored. This is the most overlooked cause on the list. How to fix it. Pull the dipstick and check both level and color. Low or dark brown and black oil cannot drive the VVT system correctly. Change the oil and filter using the exact viscosity specified in your owner's manual. Clear the code and drive for 2 complete warm-up cycles. Fresh oil at proper level resolves a significant number of P0014 cases without any further repair. Clogged VVT oil control valve. The VVT oil control valve, sometimes called a spool valve, directs oil pressure to the camshaft phaser on command from the PCM. Its job is to meter oil pressure precisely for controlled cam timing changes. When the valve gets clogged with oil varnish or carbon, it cannot respond to PCM commands. The exhaust camshaft position drifts over-advanced and P0014 is logged. Contaminated oil is usually the root cause. How to fix it. Unscrew the VVT oil control valve from the cylinder head and inspect the small filter screen on the oil inlet side. A clogged screen covered in varnish confirms the valve is starved of clean oil. Clean the screen or replace the entire valve. A replacement VVT oil control valve costs between $8 and $35 depending on the vehicle. Faulty camshaft position sensor. The camshaft position sensor reads a toothed ring on the camshaft and sends timed pulses to the PCM. Its job is to report the exact position of the camshaft at every moment. When the sensor is contaminated with oil, corroded, or failing electrically, it sends incorrect timing data. The PCM detects a cam position that does not match its command and stores P0014 even if the cam is actually behaving normally. How to fix it. Locate the bank. 1 exhaust camshaft position sensor on the cylinder head. Disconnect the electrical connector and check the pins for oil contamination or corrosion. Clean the sensor tip and pins with an electrical contact cleaner. Reconnect firmly and clear the code. A replacement camshaft position sensor costs between $6 and $25. Worn camshaft phaser. The camshaft phaser is the mechanical actuator that physically rotates the exhaust camshaft in response to oil pressure. Its job is to advance or retard cam timing smoothly on command. When the internal vanes or locking pin inside the phaser wear out, the camshaft can stick in an over-advanced position even when the PCM commands a different angle. The mismatch triggers P0014. A failing phaser often rattles loudly at cold startup. How to fix it. Start a cold engine and listen for a brief metallic rattle or ticking sound during the first few seconds. Rattle that fades. Once oil pressure builds, confirms the phaser is struggling. A replacement phaser costs between $30 and $120 depending on the engine. Installation requires removing the valve cover and specific timing tools to hold the camshaft correctly during replacement. Stretched timing chain. The timing chain connects the crankshaft to both camshafts and maintains the synchronized rotational relationship between them. Its job is to turn each camshaft at exactly half crankshaft speed in perfect phase. When the chain stretches from high mileage, it develops slack that allows the camshaft to lag behind its commanded position. The exhaust cam drifts over-advanced relative to actual crank position and P0014 is logged. How to fix it. Listen for a rattling noise from the front of the engine on cold startup. If present alongside P0014, a stretched timing chain is likely. A timing chain replacement kit costs between $30 and $100 for parts. Labor is significant but achievable for a capable home mechanic with basic hand tools and a factory service manual for your engine. Wrong oil viscosity. Modern engines with variable valve timing are very sensitive to oil viscosity. Each engine is designed for a specific grade, typically EUW20 or 5W30. Its job is to provide the exact pressure the VVT system requires. When the wrong viscosity is installed, the VVT actuator receives either too much or too little pressure, causing incorrect cam timing response. P0014 can appear immediately after an oil change using the wrong grade. How to fix it? Check your owner's manual for the exact oil viscosity specification. Drain the incorrect oil and refill with the correct grade and quantity. A new oil and filter change costs between $15 and $40 depending on the vehicle. Clear the code and drive for 2 warm-up cycles. Matching oil viscosity to specification resolves timing issues on many vehicles. Worn timing chain tensioner. The timing chain tensioner keeps constant pressure on the chain to eliminate slack. Its job is to maintain that tension across the full RPM range under all conditions. When the tensioner loses its spring pressure or the hydraulic piston wears out, chain slack develops and camshaft timing drifts. The exhaust camshaft position becomes over-advanced. P0014 is logged alongside an audible chain rattle on startup. How to fix it? Before committing to a full chain replacement, perform an oil pressure test using a mechanical gauge at the oil pressure sending unit port. Low oil pressure starves the tensioner and causes slack. Normal idle oil pressure should be at least 25 psi. If pressure is low, address the oil system first. A replacement chain tensioner costs between $15 and $60.